Hello and welcome to this vending machine video. Now on top we have Dune Daddy, Honda Civic behind, Roger Dodger, Lancia Delta, Dodge Ram, Big Air Bel Air, Corvette Stingray, Dune Manga, Camaro Worldwide, the Porsche Lifted, Mazda Repu, Jaguar. The green Porsche is very nice. Rubber duck is not nice, but the one behind is very nice, the Honda Prelude in yellow. Volkswagen Beetle with a Land Rover, Porsche 944, Ford GT, Kia Stinger. Now I'm going to be buying this Green Gasser and the one behind. Minecraft is not nice, but the one behind is very nice. The yellow Volvo. So maybe I'll have to get it. Toyota 86 in pink. Money flying. So in goes the money. Number 45. Okay. One more time. 45. Okay. Now, is it worth it to get the Volvo when I have to buy the Minecraft vehicle, which is nonsense? I think not. So this is what I have bought. The Green Gasser and the Monte Carlo from Fast and Furious. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.